How to fix Steam not opening error in Windows 10 or 11. First of all, close all apps that are running in the background. Go to this option and close all apps one by one like that. Yeah, closed all of them one by one. Now, go to the taskbar. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. Type what I'm showing you on the screen. %local app data %, then press Enter. After that, delete the Steam folder. Yeah, like that. Now, go to the taskbar again. Right-click on Windows and select Run. Type exactly what I'm showing you on the screen like that, then press Enter. Bingo! Your problem is solved and your Steam app will open very easily like that. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.